That's good. Now I'm gonna share. You guys can see?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good. I'm ready. My hand is cold.
Okay. Why?
First time to run ads.
It's the same case. It's the same exactly with display ads, but with display ads, you need to spend more time. But with YouTube ads, you can create YouTube ads in just 5 minutes, as long as you have already headline, long headline, descriptions, and the site links. Everything is ready. 5 minutes, you can create an ad with YouTube. Very easy.
That's
Okay.
great.
So new campaign. Mm-hmm.
Kids.
Uh-huh. So now delete that one. So we focus only in one. Bravo.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Continue, sis.
Yep. Now video. Yay! You're moving forward. Video na.
I know. I'm excited. We're excited, me and Veronica.
Your title.
um, what should I put? First, just gonna put the first.
First video
First,
YT.
yeah.
Oh.
First time. Let me copy. 15 ngayon. Yeah, 15.
Mhm.
Okay. I'm just gonna run in Canada.
Mm-hmm. The whole Canada.
What if I use $15? Do you think it's worth it or no? Or just the
It's
city?
whatever you feel it. You can just go ahead. If you feel that 15 euro is really great for you, go ahead. But I think so the
Okay.
whole Canada is too big, very big.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
maybe
few region maybe.
Yeah, use only some. Don't target the whole because it's really big,
Yeah.
the Canada.
maybe I'm just gonna add a little bit more. British
Mhm.
Columbia, maybe
Because it's a
Alberta. What
billion.
else? Um,
Mhm.
Winnipeg. Winnipeg is
Manitoba.
Manitoba. Yeah.
Manitoba.
Okay.
That would be
Oh,
okay, sis. I would just leave it like that because the
Or
impression 2.2 billion.
2.2 billion.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you're good for it.
So I'm just gonna go with Filipino.
You know, yeah. 2 billion because it's with English.
Yeah, that's
Now
right.
that is
Oh
Oh
the
no,
no,
it's
it
season
went
report.
down
important.
now because ano na.
Yeah.
It's okay. This one says it's okay.
Yeah.
The
It's
season report.
fine.
It will become
Okay.
200 only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, language
Leave it
Filipino.
like this.
Yeah, that's okay. So
Is it the real now or
it's the real now.
the real now?
Yeah,
That's
it's where you target those people that becomes the buyers and the distributors and the eagles. Mm-hmm.
I think 15 is fine for now.
It's so funny because when we do 15, oh, that's so cheap. Because we used to like 60, 50. Oh my God.
Yeah, grabe. That's very big.
How about hair,
So,
sis? Just leave it.
no, nothing. They are good. They're good, sis.
Okay.
So the your site links are ready. You just tick them. So you have 6 site links, right?
Is this all the site link that I put?
Yeah, six. You
Oh.
can use them all. You just tick that 6 site links asset and everything is connected.
Should I add my Facebook
Yeah, yeah.
um this one?
You did not put your Facebook yet?
No, not yet.
Oh, what are those 6 site links that you created?
Like one-on-one, earn you about
Nothing
one-on-one.
about your Facebook?
No,
Even page, no?
no.
Oh,
So maybe I can add them.
yeah, it's very important to have those.
So add this one.
Like,
I'm gonna add my this one. So site link text. I'm gonna add this one.
at least you have ready. You just need to add.
Mm-mm. Come on, move.
Because that's where they will visit you. They will connect with you.
Oh, that's long.
Mhm. Too long, ano. It's too long, sis. It's a red mark.
Mm-hmm.
Description. I think
I
it's
will,
okay.
I will go back.
Just take the freedom out.
Earn extra.
Yeah, earn and
Oh, earn
extra income
only.
from home. Yeah, just take all that. Oh,
With
there you go. That's fine.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I think that's it. I think maybe I can add the work from home too.
Listen, sis, this one that on the bottom is your website, right?
Yeah, that's my
So if
website.
you put your business page, it should not be your website. It's the
Oh,
link of
this
your
is my
business page.
Facebook page. Personal Facebook.
The link.
Yeah.
But I think so. What you have put is your work from home final earn.
Uh,
Yeah.
Eh, Its mistakes is they are not mass, so
which
you
one,
will get
sis?
redundant. You will get redundancy in there.
Real testimony, your description is wrong. You use your description to work from home. So just change it. Yung
You mean
the
the real testimonial?
yeah. So what you
Yeah.
have to do is visit my Facebook page, and your description is get to know
Oh.
me and my family.
Bakit dito ko pinalitan with my
No,
family?
no, just copy your one first description to your other one.
Yeah. You and the uh-huh. Get to know my family.
That freedom earned from home.
The first one says
The
this one is
first
with
one, ano,
with
sis
your
JD.
family is okay.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get to
And
know me,
then
not visit.
Get to
Yeah.
know.
yeah, get to know me.
This is not. So that's not my Facebook.
Yeah, that's your website.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Visit my Facebook. That's right na. Since wala kang hashtag, walang hashtag yung ano mo, yung after nung ano mo, yung JD Apillanes, and then para ma-connect yung business page mo, kailangan may hashtag siya.
Mm-hmm.
Saglit lang, doon ka muna parang may extra yata. Parang may extra siya doon sa hashtag. Balik mo siya doon. Oh, stop. Ayun o. Tama ba?
Visit my
Hashtag and
Facebook
then,
page.
tama. Tama siya. Visit my Facebook page. Visit my page.
And then maybe I'm gonna add the work from home.
Hindi pa ba naka-add yun, sis?
I think
Doon sa
hindi pa.
ano mo?
Not
I-check,
yet.
i-click mo muna lahat yung ano mo, yung site links mo kanina, and then dapat mag-add lang tayo. Kasi what you are doing now is you are creating new site links. You did not add those old ones.
Yeah. Oh, so what's next is save for now?
Save, oo, and then you can add those old site links that you have created. So now you have 7. You just tick all those boxes, those on
90 live testimony, free intro, watch replay, earn, live test. I think I have to live testimonial.
Can we go back again on the app?
Yeah, I have to live testimonial. And I have another one here.
Oh nga. Is
Maybe
it the same link on the bottom?
yeah, testimonials.
And you repeated this.
Maybe I'm just gonna remove the other one.
Untick the other one.
Earn and watch free intro live 90. So I'm gonna add the work from home.
Next time, after this analysis, JD, you know the best secret to create an ads is straight away. Is the fastest time that you create your YouTube ads is the fastest time also to give you a result. Yeah. Oh, sumobra siya, freedom and earn. There's a red mark in there in the box. Since your description line is more, you have to remove the something on there. Freedom and earn.
Freedom na lang.
Freedom earn extra income from home.
Freedom to earn.
Okay, up sumobra. And your freedom should be capital the beginning, sis.
Yeah, that's good na.
And save. Ini-save mo na ba yun? Yan. Bravo. So, you have 7 sightings that you are using. Okay. And then, additional settings is, pindot mo muna. Yung additional settings niya. Yan.
That's good, sis. Then all day.
Yep. Don't limit. And then, your enhanced videos is ready also. So they can watch it vertical, they can watch its landscape. So it's always recommended.
Okay, so that's good.
Oop, you have to copy back again. Yung Tiblebis, karton niya. Yung asawa ko nanonood ng cartoons. Ganda ng trick niya.
That's good.
Mhm.
I'm gonna leave you guys for now.
Okay.
We
That's a long walk. You've been walking since the time we started.
oh no.
Where are you going? On a road runner?
None of your one audience are recommended for this campaign. Create a new. So we're gonna create, sis?
Yeah, you
Taking
can
the
create
bus.
new one.
See ya, Mamo.
See ya.
Chat you later.
Yeah. Bye.
And then name your audiences. You can paste there your ad title.
This is the one they gonna see or just only me?
For you.
Only for
But
me?
it's always good, sis, to put the same your headlines from the one that created campaign.
Yeah.
You can just paste there.
Please. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. So that's where do you remember when I told you you have to start to study your audience?
Mm-hmm.
This
Yeah,
is
I wrote
it
down.
na.
Yeah.
Mhm.
People who search for any.
Yeah. And do you want to paste also the title there, the segment name? Okay. Or who are your targets is because here you can write exactly your targets because they will be your forever audience that you can use every now and then.
Oh, so I'm gonna
For
type here.
example,
Yeah,
no,
like
your
mom.
audience name. For
Yeah,
example,
yeah.
your targets there are just moms
Mm-hmm.
only.
So I'm gonna change
Separate
the
them.
segment name.
Yeah. Who are your targets? You can just write them there because someday you will create new audience. So you will focus what you called on that title.
Maybe single mom and parents.
Mhm.
So this is the search that I'm gonna work from home.
You create already before?
Hindi pa naman. So
Mhm.
ito yung yung at Google's is the link? Is that the link?
Yeah, if you, for example, you target where are the single moms tambayan ng mga single moms sa Facebook or tambayan ng mga single moms sa YouTube, tambayan ng mga single moms sa Google. For example,
Canada.
single. Kulang siya ng G.
Canada single mom.
Canada single mom. Wow. Moms Canada.
Oh, yan.
Oh,
Ito
wow.
pwede.
Oh.
Click ko.
Oo. Kunin mo yung link nila. These are 1.5. Oh, ang laki 1.5 million single moms in Canada.
Oh.
Kunin mo yung link niya.
Saan ba dito?
Sa taas.
Sa taas sis. Ay, yung
Taas, ayun,
momscanada.ca.
On the very top.
Taas, sa taas. Oo, yung dun sa sa search bar.
Sa search bar mo sis.
Yeah.
Yung momscanada.ca. Yeah.
Yan.
What the heck?
Parang hindi mo yata na-copy. Hindi mo siya na-copy.
Yan. Copy. Ayaw niya.
Hindi mo na-copy, sis. Ang napindot mo kanina, paste. Try mo ulit. Copy.
Copy.
Yan. Mhm.
Ayaw.
Oh, that's strange, ha?
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, balik tayo doon sa sa link.
Ito.
Aha.
Copy.
Okay.
No, you
Ayaw
can.
niya.
Yeah.
Maybe
Okay.
look for something kasi baka siguro ano siya. Hang on.
Ano sis, i-refresh mo nga. I-refresh mo nga doon sa tabi niya, 'di ba? May refresh doon. Okay. Okay, so ilagay mo lang yung cursor mo diyan sa link. Don't press. Ilagay mo lang doon sa gitna. And then right click. No, sa gitna ng moms, right click mo siya.
Right
Right
click.
click, 'yan. Tapos copy. Okay, try natin ngayon.
Wala din. Or may
Ayaw pa rin. Palitan mo doon sa baba. 'Yun yung yung palitan natin yung, nakikita mo yung dun sa baba niya, expand, sabi niya dun sa baba.
baba ng...
Dun ka
Punta
lang
ka
sa
dun sa
Google
video
Ads.
mo. Yeah.
Ha?
Punta ka, balik ka sa Google mo.
Oh, Google account, balik ka doon.
Saan Google account?
Dun
Yung sa video
ginagawa
natin
nating
ginawa.
ads.
Yan.
Yan. And then, dun sa baba, ipindot mo yung people who browse types of websites.
Oh,
Ayun.
baka dito sa URL na
Oh,
to.
okay, try natin dyan.
Paste.
Ayan.
There you go.
Oh,
Bravo.
I
Okay,
see.
you can get more. That's where I created my, naalala niyo yung first na Zoom natin? That's where I put
Parents
my
sis.
target.
Type mo yeah, okay. Nanny.
Sanay dyan, Nani. Let's go.
Sa taas.
Always remember that those people that you want to focus to target, sometimes they are the hard people who really hard to catch. Okay? But they are the quality people. Sometimes it's not easy for them to bring you to your website, but they are the quality people.
Parents sis. Type mo.
Parents.
Parents without the partner.
Pwede rin, di ba?
Type natin divorce. Ay, kalo.
Bayan ng mga divorsyado.
Single
Candidate ako dyan.
parent.
Well, I was, but
Now, no more?
no. Second time around, sis.
Sweetest time. Ako, ako din. Hiniwalayan ko to noon pero binalikan ko.
Oh.
Oh,
No,
Dalawa.
hindi ko talaga binalikan yung isa.
Ah.
ayaw akong balikan nung isa ko eh.
Ako binalikan ko kasi alam niyo kung bakit. Sa through, alam niyo, gastusin. Ayokong mag-upa kasi dito, ang trabaho ko, umupa ka, yung sahod, pambayad mo sa upa. So,
Correct.
sabi ko, may sarili kaming bahay, upa ako, hello? Bumalik na lang ako. Sumuko.
Yeah.
Diba? Kesa naman yung bahay namin, ipatira niya sa iba. Na ako ang
Yeah.
nagmamayari, diba? So, kailangan maging moderno na lang. Hayaan mo na yung puso. Tumatanda naman na tayo, diba?
Yeah.
Napag-iwanan ako sa Pilipinas eh, kaya no choice.
You see?
Mm.
This one, sis, is too long. It will not accept.
It won't
This
accept.
this will give you red mark. So you have to find something that very specific. Hi, Pogi.
Mhm.
How are
Ano pa ba yung mga
you?
ano
Ay,
ko?
bunso.
Cute naman niya.
He likes the
Kamukha ng nanay.
Philippines.
Oh, really? Maybe
Yeah.
someday he will have a special GF Filipina. Di ba?
We're moving in the Philippines for a little bit next year.
Holiday?
No, move.
Really? Why?
Huh?
Why?
For good.
Yeah, for a little.
Oh,
Sis, last quarter, andun ako ng mga 4 to 5 months.
Oh.
galing naman.
Ano ba ang ano, ma'am?
Okay.
There's no parents.
Wala.
Mom,
Ma'am, entrepreneur.
yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. Because you're mom entrepreneur, so
Main target.
Sa Java.
Kajabi.
Women.
Yan sis, pwede mong i-open lahat yan and you can read them if
Right
they are
here.
related with you.
Yeah, like entrepreneur dito sis.
Oo.
Yan.
Yan, para
Mahaba din.
i-focus mo sa kanila. Ang haba din, no? I-try mo lang ilagay yung mahabang link.
There's more in there also, like the mom entrepreneur. I-ano mo nga yung ano mo kasi.
Tignan ko ito.
Oo, ang dami pa eh. Try mo lang ito, but if he will give you red mark, it will ask you to remove.
Yeah, mahaba.
Okay, it didn't give any red mark, go ahead. Copy ka pa ng iba.
Oh, so that's okay?
Yeah.
The red, yeah, I think so. Because the red marks,
Don't close
they
it sis,
usually
there's
come.
more there. Balik ka doon. Go back again on that one and then yeah.
Mhm.
The entrepreneurs right here, mom articles and biography. Is that the one you picked?
This one. This is the one I
First one.
Okay, go to the third one, the entrepreneurs. No,
Yeah,
ano-
because
yeah,
that one, the Kajabi is an ad. The second one is
Yeah.
an ad, so don't take.
Yeah. So that one, take that one. Perfect.
Mhm. Oh, it's not showing the face.
Let me see.
Oh,
Ayaw
it's
na
not
naman.
allowing you. Not allowing you.
The heck?
It's not allowing you, sis. Go pick another. It's not allowing you. They are private. This article is private.
All right, so yeah, I'm gonna help you. I'm getting some.
Hi, Ramya. Are you home now?
Ma'am,
Oh, that's fast.
let me see again.
You can Filipino your targets, yeah? You can write also Filipino moms in Canada.
Filipino moms in Canada.
Oo.
Okay. Ito, how about this?
You can use them, sis. Those one, top 10 successful mom entrepreneurs. Doesn't allow you also.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. Gives you.
Total mom entrepreneur business support.
Huwag mo lang kunin yung mga may nakaraan na ads, kasi ano yun.
Anong nakaraan? Yung sponsored?
Oo, yung sponsored.
wag
Those
yung
are
mga
running
ano.
ads. Those are running ads.
Where is it na? Did we finish this? Not yet, I think. How do we know that it's running?
It tries
Well-
sponsored.
Yeah.
This one is okay, sis.
This one's
I
okay?
don't think so. It's a running ad, yeah. Just try it. It will give you a red mark if it's not allowed.
Type mo din ano sis, empowering moms. Just type.
Empowered.
I sent you one site link. I mean,
Okay.
I sent, but just type empowered mom. There's a few in there. So, Sis Maria, how many do we have to apply for this one? All this site?
You
Like,
can, me, I have only 2.
okay.
I have only 2.
Yeah. That one,
Yeah.
you can do that. And then that should be fine. Huh? No, you already have 3 bread today with your French toast. Get a little bit of snack.
Maybe this one, empowered another mom.
There's a snack,
Oh,
Carla.
your connection is not private.
Oh, maybe their link is private.
Ah, okay, yeah. Baka okay na yun, sis, kasi ilan na ba yun?
Hello?
Kunin mo na yan sis yung empowered moms navigating your wellness and healing.
This one?
Oo. Mhm. Oop.
Ayun.
That powering woman.
That's sponsored, sis. Yun,
Oh, yung may ganon.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Baka okay na yan kasi 'di ba? How many of those na?
Parang 5.
5.
Charity Day, Moms Canada, Single Moms Planet,
Single Moms Planet.
Moms Canada Job.
Ay,
Ano pa ba? That's it na?
Mhm.
And then save sis.
Yep.
Parang naka-7 ka na.
Okay lang yan kasi kapag the more the
Mas
better.
maganda.
The
And then
more
create
the
again?
merrier. Hindi na, okay na. Saglit lang, saglit.
That's good na? Okay.
Okay. So, you have already ang laki. 1.5
1B.
billion. That's good. So, save sis. You can save na. Save mo siya.
This one too?
Ay, hindi pa. Yung demographics natin, pindot mo yung demographics sa baba. Interest and detailed demographics.
How about the
Sige pa,
exclusion
pa.
seed? No need?
No. Yung interest and detailed demographics ipindot mo. Okay. So, ayan na sis, yan na. Okay na dyan, don't.
No need na? Oh, okay.
No need. Madodoble yung budget mo dyan.
Oh.
Magiging times 2 kasi dalawa yung audience mo.
So that's good na.
Oo. Doon ka na sa demographics lang.
Maybe 35. 55. Oh, walang 55.
54.
How about the unknown?
No, I don't target the unknown for the age because that 18 years old will come over also. Policies on the household income, I don't set up. I don't
Oh, just
touch.
leave it like that?
Yeah, because people, they are not putting their income sometimes
yeah.
on their social media.
Okay. So that's good na?
Okay. So you can save na. Okay. So, sa video na tayo. Optimize mo siya i-off. And then, you're good. Sa video na tayo. After
Yay!
nito, kunin mo na yung ano mo, yung link ng, ipindot mo pa rin yung advanced settings para makita mo anong laman niya.
Oh, okay.
Yan. There's nothing to do.
So this is the link.
Yeah. Get your YouTube link.
But ayaw mag-go sa ano, 3 dot.
Yan. Up. Yan. Up.
Teka.
You have different setup in your place, huh?
Hello, vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
I am trying to put my what is that? My
Introduction.
welcome video. It didn't go.
Why? We will put it later.
Sis, don't tick on the box. Don't tick on the box. Yeah. Just
Copy link right there. There's a copy. No.
tama. Get shared link.
Available?
It shows before.
Oh my God.
You paste. Yeah, nakita.
Okay.
I think this is the one to 12.
Okay. You see the link there, sis? On the bottom of the video, there's 2 books there.
Right
You
there,
can set
sis,
the
in your video link and
in
file
your
name.
video on the bottom. YouTube,
Oh, there.
PHQ.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
And then get the link from there. Copy. Okay.
You already copy it. Yeah.
I did
Yep.
already copy video. Ayaw niya.
Oh. Copy with video link. Ayan. It's already copied.
But ayaw hindi
Alright.
nag-go.
What happened?
What the heck?
Ayan. That's
Ayun.
good.
Including the
You're
Is that-
good, sis. You're good. You have to create na. That's just the preview.
Oh, I see.
Now you have to copy your website.
Go to your website. So quiet.
Ba't ang dami, sis?
Because that's all in your YouTube.
Oh.
It will show. Pag
It-
nandun na sila sa YouTube mo, all your video will show.
Okay.
Don't put here, sis. Not in this place. Get out from there. Tick the X and remove that. Remove. Okay.
This one?
Remove. Yes. Write down your website on the HTTPS and the final. No. Don't write anything there.
Dito?
Go down. Sa baba.
Yeah,
Yung
sa baba.
final dyan. Dyan mo siya i-paste. Okay. And then, on the part 1, you remember what did you use the last time?
Earn online. Passive income.
Call to action.
So 5 call to action, 5 headlines, 5 long headlines.
Oh, call to action? Okay.
Yeah.
Oo,
Okay, I go back.
5
Just
call
copy
to
paste.
action.
Yeah.
Learn more, sign up, yung mga ganon.
Yeah. You have that on your notes?
Yeah.
Diba? Mm.
Ayaw magpaliit. Ano ba yan? Teka, refresh natin. I cannot. I cannot go to my notes.
So minimize your Zoom first. Minimize your Zoom. Minimize mo muna yung Zoom and then go to your notes.
No, you have to close.
Huh?
I did already see, look. That's for the size of the video.
Oh,
Come on.
ayaw niya?
Ayaw mag-go.
Huh?
Ayaw niya mag-minimize.
Anong nangyari?
Nasaan ba yung notes mo, sis? Nasa hindi sa Google Documents, separate siya?
Wala, nakaseparate, may folder siya. Pwede na try ko.
Sa folders.
Ano sis, punta ka din sa notes mo in your phone, in your iPhone. It will go there.
No, magkaiba yung ano ko.
Huh?
It's different from my phone and laptop.
Why you don't link your easy?
Oh, sa email lang.
Yeah, because mine, all my
Siya
notes,
ganun.
it transfer on my phone.
It's full. Oh, there, I saw them. Come on, kanina lumabas.
Ayun. Right there. Okay.
Ayan. Patago-tago ka pa, pakita ka din.
I know. Call to action there. Like this one, right?
Call to action mo. Call outs.
You don't need call outs. You don't need call outs. You will not gonna use call outs, but what you need from there is your call to action. Those are the learn more, sign ups.
Oh, okay.
You don't put any call outs because that is too expensive and it doesn't give you result. If you put $15 budget plus $15 also from your call outs, and they will not give you the result that you want. They will just eat your money.
Okay, learn more. Sign up.
And what are the other I use? I don't remember the other.
Registered now.
Kung kasha, kung ano niya lahat, or register only. Register here.
9 na, 9. It's 9.
I think so here. We'll be fine with here. Up now. Okay.
Register na lang siguro. Click.
You can put
Click.
also details. No, don't use any click. Don't use any click.
Oh.
It will be a clickbait after. It will go to the clickbait. So you can use info here or details.
Isa pa.
Details.
Details.
Mhm.
Long
Now, copy your headlines.
30.
Yeah. Dami. Grabe, mag-ano ka pa dyan.
Dami
Yeah. Earn money online, start passive income, start.
Kaya i-copy mo yung ano mo, pati lang ko pala ako ng malalamon.
Oh, sige.
Andyan pa ba si
Yeah.
Andyan pa ba si Coach Fossy kasi nagtatagalog tayo? O, puro na ba tayo mga Tagalog?
Oo. Wala siya kasi Crystal.
Nagdadrive yata siya kanina, sabi niya.
Yeah. Pauwi siguro.
Okay, kukuha lang ako ng
Sige,
malalamon.
I have a dinner, at 6 o'clock. Di ba? So busy this weekend. It's my mother-in-law's birthday.
Wow,
We have to
sarap.
go for a Sunday morning, all breakfast, and then Sunday night dinner. And then tonight we'll get invited for dinner to our friend's house. Like, oh my gosh.
Okay lang yan, puro pagkain.
It's really nice when, sabi ko nga sa husband,
Learn how to build.
nice that we can leave the kids na because
Learn
big.
how I build na lang.
Yeah.
Yan na lang siguro. Learn how build passive income.
And then one more yata pa doon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kulang pa rin. Yeah. Ano na lang, work from home. Kunin mo yung work from home, sis. And okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Base. Oh, work from
Okay, anywhere, earn more.
And
Tanggalin
earn.
mo yung end. Tanggalin mo yung end. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, you get the long headlines.
ready for a life. Your path to financial freedoms.
Or normally learn how to build passive income. Yeah.
Tingnan ko nga yung medyo mas maganda pa. Tingnan lang natin. Start
Earning today, work, earn money online.
yung earn money online yata, maganda rin yata ito.
Yeah.
Ano ba ang ipapalit ko doon? To change.
Doon ka sa sige, i-copy mo lang siya. Earn money online. Kasi yung CTR nito maganda eh.
Malaki, di ba?
Yeah. So,
This one, your path to financial freedom.
yeah. Take that out. Perfect.
Earn money online. It's 30.
Earn
Earn money.
No.
Earn money
Good.
online.
Fine.
Okay na nga lang yan.
Yeah. Doon, babawi tayo sa long.
Dito na tayo sa long. Now we go to long headline.
Okay, let's go to the long headlines. Saan ba yun? Ayan. 90 characters ba yun?
Oo, 90.
Yeah, okay. So, maganda nito is, yeah. Okay.
Live the freedom lifestyle you deserve. Copy. Ayan. Earn while traveling. Start online.
Yes.
Work from anywhere on the
I'm
world.
busy. Nanghihingi na naman yan ng ano. Pardon?
Malalamon.
No, yung mga games niya. No, I know exactly what you want. So you come here. You're the one that need me.
Ang tapang ni
Sorry.
Ina.
Sorry, na-record.
Tayo.
Na-record pala to.
Ang ina, no?
Wala, na-record pala to. What do you need? No, I'm not going to. Mommy's busy. Mommy's in Zoom. So you just have to wait.
My payback. My pay.
Yung aking apo masyadong sensitive sa voice
Huh?
na pag mataas ang voice eh.
Make money online. Ito,
That's
visit.
it here.
He doesn't.
We have to wait.
He won't want to.
We have to wait. Sabi niya, it's only $33. Oh, di mo. It's only $33, Mom.
Kung peso-peso lang sana, no?
Yeah. Okay, so
$3.
yeah. Yeah, it's only $30, sabi niya daw.
Learn how to start work from home. Own a business that is not bound. You are never alone. Our team expert. Make money online while or eto, ano ba?
Yeah, that's fine. My husband has to edit all my video to do the landscape.
Yeah,
Sana
you
all
have
may
to,
tagagawa.
ano,
Yeah.
I have some videos that actually I have another second video that I took the video with portrait and I convert into landscape. I
Yeah.
edited it to landscape.
Yeah, my husband was like, no, it's really easy. We can just edit them later. So lahat ng video ko, and then my husband kasi I feel pressure pag nag-video kami because that's what he does. So he's a real estate marketing. So he does, so he does all my, but I feel pressure because he's so professional. It's like, you gotta get it, you gotta get it. Oh.
Ba't ayaw makapi? Ano ba yan?
Ayun na. Paste. Ayun.
Chamba-chamba pag may time.
Five lang, di ba? 5?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, that's good na.
Hindi, apat pa lang sis.
No, you still have the other one on the top, sis. You're missing something there.
Oh, one headline.
Yeah. Go get another one.
Pang-anim na to.
What?
No,
One.
pang 5.
2, 3.
Na-miss mo yung isa.
4, 5.
I-copy ko na lang.
Mhm.
Love aside.
Pa-share ng record nyo later, ha?
Ayoko nga.
Okay lang, ikaw naman gumagawa sa akin.
Yeah. Okay, auto-generate, tracking template.
5 na sis.
Mhm.
So what about the URL options? Wala yan?
Wala sis. One more you need one more description.
Pang-anim na siya sis.
No, pang 5 lang siya.
Yung nasa tuktok?
That's a headline.
Oh, that's the long.
Yeah. Yeah, so just get one more description.
You know, the long headlines is only one. You put only one. You created only one. So you need to add more 4.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yung
But the description, we have created 4.
But you need 5.
Yeah.
So 4 more. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
5 more. All total.
3, 4, 5.
Mm-hmm. So you need more 4 long headlines and 1 description.
So how was your buyer, guys?
How many descriptions sis? Just 1?
5.
5.
5, 5, 5?
one
Yeah.
more. Yeah,
So I need one more description
Yes.
and 4 more
yes,
long. Okay.
four
Yeah.
long headlines. I think so. You have them in your documents, in your notes.
Yeah. Marami dyan, oh.
Mhm.
You lost past me, look from up there.
Hello mga sis, it's my first time to join the Zoom.
Hello,
Hi,
sis.
you're late.
Inad ako ni Maria dito. Buti yung client ko, pinauwi ako kasi nandyan yung wife.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Oy, thank you naman. Thank you, thank you.
Coach Marie, are you there? Coach Marie, are you there? Sis Marie, can you help me find one person, please, in the dream team because I received one report here, but I cannot find in the Marie. Coach Marie,
Nakamute
tulungan
yan.
mo
Marie o
ako.
Rosemary?
Oh, Marie.
Marie o
Ano,
Rosemary?
ikaw? Pwede nga, no? Sendan kita ng isang picture. Hanapin mo to sa DT kasi ako hinahanap ko siya. Ano siya, hindi ko siya mahanap doon. Black yung ano niya, parang nahakyata siya or gumagamit na iba sa account niya. Ito, sa'yo.
Ganon.
No, hindi ko siya mahanap doon eh. Okay, saglit lang. Meron siya nito, tapos send ko sa'yo. Ni-research ko siya. I cannot open the link. Baka ini-block niya ako. I-try mo sa'yo, sis. Kasi mayroon siyang Bitcoin na business, tapos nagre-recruit siya.
Oh, really?
Oo. Ito,
Oh,
resend
so,
ko sa'yo.
naalis siya sa DT.
Maybe somebody hacked, maybe she's the original, but maybe somebody hacked her page or Facebook.
Okay.
We're not allowed to put exclamation, right, sis?
No, 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 no. And
Para
also
saan yan,
question
Tia?
mark, don't put
Para saan yan ginagawa nyo?
YouTube ads. Question mark also don't use. I see that you have question mark, but don't use any.
Which one,
Remove
sis?
the question mark.
Oh,
Experience, remove those, all those special Also the question mark, remove.
check natin.
Ano yung kinokorek nyo, sis? Para saan yan?
Sa YouTube ads.
Running YouTube, sis.
Sa running YouTube ads. Okay.
Okay na, sis.
And then copy your title again on the campaign settings. No, please don't put anything, sis. You don't need those.
Sa ad name?
Oo, copy your headlines before. Your campaign headlines, your campaign title.
Ayan.
This one. Okay. So can you see in your right side weekly estimates? It writes your campaign will get few or no impressions because your targeting is too narrow, sabi niya, di ba?
Yeah.
Apat na city ba yung yung tinarget mo or four? Four lang siya, no? Four cities.
I think 5. 5 or 4.
So,
Mhm.
ano siya, medyo...
Remove another one?
No. Just go ahead with this, with that 5 cities,
Okay.
and wait for the impression. Kasi sabi niya dito, masyado daw mababa yung target mo, magdagdag ka daw. But,
Oh.
ignore it, just go ahead, i-run mo ito, and then, because it's a very, very fresh ads, it may take at least 12 hours, and sometimes 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours, sometimes 3 days before the impression will come.
Oh, okay.
Because it's very, very fresh. It always happens. Sometimes if it's an old video, in just 1 hour you have impression. But because it's your first time,
Yeah.
it may be take a little bit time.
Okay.
Yeah, but just go ahead. Okay?
Okay.
Pwede na tayong mag-create.
Create campaign.
Yay! Buyers are coming. Ayan, natanggap siya.
Continue.
Ayan. Oo.
Ayan na.
So that's it. Diba? Ang bilis.
Akala ko maglalagay pa yung napakahabang ano.
Ano yun?
Yung parang, nasaan ba yun? Gumawa ako ng notes na, remember Tagalog or ano? Message?
Ano?
Yung mga ganyan.
Doon sa ano mo, sa video mo ilagay yan. Doon sa video mismo sa YouTube.
Sa YouTube? Oh.
No, yun na. Oo, no, nasabi mo na yung sa video mo na.
Oh.
Ito na nasabi mo na sa video mo?
Hindi, iba. Pwede kong
Pwede mo
i-edit
i-copy.
yun?
Oo, i-copy mo lahat ito, i-paste mo doon sa description ng video mo. Doon sa YouTube mo mismo, sa YouTube channel mo mismo. Pero alam mo, meron kang link dyan, no? Yung website mo yan.
Alin yung?
Sa taas yung learn more.
Yeah. Linagay ko yung website ko.
Dalawa, no?
Ano, yung Facebook ko at saka yung
Business page. Never mind.
Oo.
So you have to, do you have to tag your business Facebook or your personal Facebook?
You can put it all.
Okay.
I have them all. TikTok even, I put there. My LinkedIn even, I put there.
I think that's a lot. It's red.
Para mahanap ka nila sa kahit
No,
saan mo.
ano lang yung red, yung mga, kasi di ba it's English and then you're doing it Tagalog. So that's why they're doing it,
Tama.
Man, that's good. Save.
You gotta create your thumbnail.
Thumbnail, oo.
Yeah.
Like ka ng ano mo. Pero since yung video mo ba patayo?
Hindi, naka-ano siya, video, naka YouTube size.
Landscape?
Yeah.
Landscape? Kasi
Yeah.
yung thumbnail mo dyan nakatayo siya. Pero ano lang yan? Picture lang doon na ano mo?
Hindi, ganun ang size niya pero naka-set up siya ng landscape. Kasi ka-Facebook ako always patayo. So, inedit ko rin siya na pang YouTube na parang ganon.
Oo.
Ganito siya, saan ba? Ay, ganito siya, Ganyan na siya na talaga, pero yung niya pa ganyan. Para i-share sa inyo ang magandang opportunity. Ganyan lang siya. Kalahati.
Sana inedit mo siya na ginawa mo dito yung video.
Oo.
And then in the right side, nilagyan mo siya ng testimonial.
Dito sa gilid-gilid.
Oo. Pero i-testing mo lang ito. Kasi kapag i-edit mo yung video, di ba ginawa mo siyang landscape, pero yung video mo is portrait.
Oo.
So kapag i-edit mo siya, ilagay mo siya doon sa kahit saang side, kahit sa right, sa left, Ligay mo doon yung video mo habang nagsalita ka and then gagawa ka naman ng another ano dito part na testimonial. Halimbawa yung mga income mo, yung mga business owners, gano'n, yung mga team ninyo habang nagzo-zoom kayo